You've spent time applying your makeup to perfection, but how do you ensure it stays that way all day? Well, the secret lies in a little bottle that most makeup enthusiasts swear by, the setting spray. This magical elixir, often overlooked, is the unsung hero of your makeup routine. As the name suggests, setting spray is designed to keep your makeup in place, ensuring it lasts longer and withstands the day's challenges. Think of it as a protective layer, a shield if you will, that holds your makeup together, preventing it from smudging, fading, or melting away. Whether you've got a long day at work or a night out planned, setting spray is the trusty companion that ensures your makeup remains flawless. And it's not just about longevity. Setting spray also helps maintain the look you've worked hard to achieve. It prevents the dreaded cakey effect, keeping your makeup looking fresh and vibrant. So, if you're not using a setting spray, you're missing out on these benefits. But don't just take our word for it. First and foremost, setting spray is about longevity. Just as a lock secures a door, setting spray works to secure your makeup, acting as a protective barrier against external factors. It's like an invisible shield, warding off the likes of heat, humidity, and even the occasional emotional tear. Imagine creating a beautiful painting. You wouldn't want it to smudge or fade away, would you? The same applies to your makeup. With setting spray, your masterpiece of a face remains intact, reducing the need for those midday touch-ups that can be a real-time thief. It ensures that your makeup stays put, from your morning coffee to your evening nightcap. The beauty of setting spray is that it works with a variety of makeup products, from your favorite foundation and blush to your go-to eyeshadow and lipstick. No matter the product, setting spray helps it stay vibrant and fresh, exactly how you intended it to look. In other words, setting spray is your makeup's best friend. It keeps your look locked in, preserving your effort and creativity, and ultimately, making your makeup last longer. Not only does setting spray extend your makeup's lifespan, but it also seals everything in place. Imagine a protective shield, a barrier if you will, that forms over your makeup. This invisible layer is like a superhero, safeguarding your makeup against the villains of the day: sweat, humidity, and even those accidental face touches. It's like your makeup's own personal bodyguard, always on duty, always vigilant. Think about it. You've spent a good chunk of time carefully applying your makeup, perfecting those wings, blending out that eyeshadow just right, and achieving the perfect pout. The last thing you want is for it all to smudge, fade, or run as the day progresses. That's where setting spray comes in. It's the final step in your beauty routine, the one that locks everything in place, ensuring your makeup looks as fresh at the end of the day as it did at the start. With setting spray, you can say goodbye to smeared eyeliner and runny mascara. It's time to embrace the power of the seal, the magic of the setting spray. Want your makeup to look better and more natural? Setting spray can help. It's like the magic wand in your beauty arsenal that can take your makeup from good to great. Not only does it lock your makeup in place, but it also enhances its overall appearance. Think about it. You've spent time applying foundation, concealer, blush, and perhaps a dash of contouring. You've perfected your eyeshadow and your lipstick is on point, but sometimes all these layers of makeup can look a tad bit powdery or superficial. Enter the setting spray. A light mist of this wonder product can work wonders. It helps to blend all the different layers of makeup together, creating a cohesive, unified look. No more harsh lines or stark contrasts. Everything merges seamlessly, giving your face a more natural, skin-like finish. Moreover, setting spray can eliminate any powderiness that may be left behind, especially if you've used setting powder. It melts the powder into your skin, again contributing to the natural, dewy finish that we all love. So for a smooth, flawless finish, don't forget to spritz some setting spray. Believe it or not, setting spray can also be a source of hydration and refreshment for your skin. Now you may be wondering, how can a makeup product do that? Well, it's all about the ingredients. Many setting sprays are infused with hydrating components such as aloe vera and hyaluronic acid, which not only keep your makeup in place but also nourish your skin, providing a much-needed moisture boost throughout the day. And it doesn't stop there. Some setting sprays even offer a cooling effect, perfect for those hot summer days or when you need a quick pick-me-up. Just a quick spritz and you'll feel refreshed and revitalized, all while ensuring your makeup remains flawless. Lastly, we can't forget about the rejuvenating benefits. Over time, makeup can start to look a bit tired, but a quick spritz of setting spray can breathe new life into it, making it look as fresh as when you first applied it. Who knew setting spray could double as a mini spa treatment? The benefits of setting spray don't stop there. It's also versatile, can help control oil, and offers protection. One of the beauties of setting spray is its versatility. Regardless of your makeup routine, whether you're a fan of a full face or prefer a more natural look, setting spray is your friend. It's not picky. It works harmoniously with powder, cream, and liquid makeup alike, ensuring each type stays where it's supposed to. It's like the glue that holds your masterpiece together. But don't worry, it's much more comfortable than actual glue. Now, let's talk about oil control. If you're someone who battles an oily complexion, setting spray can be a game changer. Some formulas are designed to absorb excess oil, leaving you with a matte finish that lasts all day. No more worrying about your makeup sliding off by lunchtime. Plus, this oil-absorbing quality can also help to prevent breakouts caused by clogged pores. It's like having a mini skincare routine in a bottle. Last but not least, let's talk about protection. Sometimes we forget that our skin is exposed to various environmental factors throughout the day. Heat, wind, cold, you name it. Setting spray forms a protective barrier on your skin to shield it from these elements. It's like an invisible shield that not only keeps your makeup intact, but also protects your skin. In a nutshell, setting spray is a multifunctional product that takes your makeup game to a whole new level. It's not just about making your makeup last longer, but also about enhancing its appearance, controlling oil, and protecting your skin. From versatility to protection, setting spray truly does it all. Now that you understand the importance of setting spray, here's a bonus tip. Who doesn't love a good bonus, right? Well, imagine having a portable rechargeable mist sprayer. This handy tool can be your best friend in your makeup routine. Just fill it with water and voila! You have your own hydrating setting spray. It's not just for setting your makeup though, it's a multitasker, just like you. Use it to hydrate your skin before applying makeup. A little spritz can go a long way in keeping your skin moisturized and ready for makeup application. But wait, it gets better. You can also use it to prime your skin. A quick spritz helps smooth the skin and prepare it for makeup, ensuring that your foundation and other products apply evenly and last all day. And after you've applied your makeup, give your face another quick mist to set everything in place. Just a few sprays and your makeup is locked in, ready to withstand whatever the day throws at you. But that's not all. Throughout the day, when your makeup starts to feel a bit dry or dull, just pull out your mist sprayer and give your face a refreshing spritz. It's like a mini spa treatment right in the middle of your day, rejuvenating your makeup and giving you that fresh, dewy glow. Remember, makeup is an art, and like any art, it requires the right tools and techniques. Setting spray is one of those essential tools. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. We're always here to help. Until next time, keep shining and stay beautiful.